Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to improve audio recording quality using Dolby on app on Oukitel G2. Firstly, go into Google Play Store, tap on search bar and search up Dolby. D-O-L-B-E, Dolby. Now install the Dolby on app. Okay, now once your installation has succeeded, you can open the app, tap on skip, not now. I mean, obviously you can sign up, but I won't do this right now. And I'm going to start an audio recording. Of course, you can also start the video recording here, but I'll just start the audio recording. Now let's grant the permission, and yep, I'm also going to finish it very quickly. So here, now in the bottom left corner you're going to see your gallery, so let's head there. Here, right now, tap on this icon. This is the recording that I have just made, track 1. And if this icon is colorful, it means the audio is being played with effects of Dolby on app. But if you press on this button and this icon turns gray, it means the audio is going to be played raw. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.